Hello students, welcome back to the basic programming. In the last video we had done how to start a simple program in basic. Now in today's session we have to start with if else, if then and if else. So again I am opening my basic 80 and this is my folder of basic 80 in which I have got basic.exe. So now let's start with the programming. As I told you in the previous video also, for starting a new program you should write new, then auto. Auto will automatically give you 10, line number 20 and so on. Now suppose I have to take two numbers and find out the greatest of them. So I will be writing here input without message. Also I can take A and B as I told you, or you can write a message also. If A greater than B, then print A, else print B. 30 is end. Only a 3-line program in which if else is doing what? If is going to check if A is greater than B. Suppose the value of A that you give is bigger than that of B, then should be used. Then you are writing print A, the value of A will be printed, else print B. Now with Control C I'll break this line number and we are going to write here run, and it's asking us two numbers. I am giving one number as 17, the other as 20. So it's giving me the answer as 20. Now most of you must be asking ki instead of writing 20 it should write the greatest number is 20. So for that start again. So in auto I am taking here input A comma B. If A greater than B, then print greater is A comma A, right? Else print greater is comma B and then end. So if I press Ctrl C and I run the program and I am giving you again the same number 17 comma 20, I get the answer greater is 20. I suppose a question is given in which we have to enter a number and check if it is negative or positive. So new auto, and we'll write here input A. We have to check if it is negative. How do we check for a negative? We'll say if it is less than 0. So if A is less than 0, then print negative. Whenever you want to write big messages, you have to put them in inverted commas. Else print positive, end. Now if I run this program and it's asking me a number, I am giving here -9, is going to give me the answer as negative, right? Now if suppose a question is given that we have to enter a number and check if it is even or odd, so we'll write here new auto input A. Even number is that which is divisible by 2, while odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So we'll write here A mod. What is mod? Mod will take out the remainder. Say if suppose the user gives you 6, so 2 3s are 6 and you get a 0 remainder. So we are going to check here if it is equal to 0. If A mod 2 is equal to 0, that means the remainder is coming out to be 0 when divided by 10. Then with print we are going to write here even number. Else print odd number. Then end, Control C, and if I run this program with run, it's asking me a number. I give here suppose 7. So it's giving me the message as odd number, right? Then if suppose a question is given that if we enter 3 numbers and we have to find out the greatest of the 3 numbers. Now for 3 numbers you will have to use an AND operator also. How we are going to do? First let me clear the screen with CLS. We will write here new auto input A, B and C. If A greater than B and A greater than C, then print A is greater. There are 2 ways of writing this program. I am doing in another method. In the next line I am checking for B. If B is greater than A and B greater than C, then print B is greater. Greater means you can write here greatest, right? And in the third line number, if C is greater than A and C greater than B, then print C is greatest. End. Control C. So if I run this program and I enter some numbers like 12, 15 and 3. So what is the answer coming out? 15.
The other method is in which
greatest.
we are inputting A, B, C. Then if A is greater than B and A greater than C,
right?
then print A will be printed. Else if is a new thing that you are seeing here. Else if means nahi to agar. Nahi to agar, if B is greater than A and B greater than C, then print B, else print C. So in one line also you can use your if and else if, right? And then you are seeing the output, how it comes. So keep practicing with these programs and we'll come up in another session with new programs. Till then, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.